Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking clothing brand Facebook page post. So if you're trying to create a post for your clothing brand, this video is for you. Creating a clothing brand post in Canva is really easy. And the best part of Canva is that you don't have to create your post from scratch. What you need to do is pick a template you like, and then modify it with your own details. Your post will be ready within a few minutes. So create your account in Canva and go to the search bar and type for a clothing brand Facebook post. So, if you want to create one for Instagram, just search for an Instagram post. Right now, we are creating one for Facebook, which is why we will press Enter. Now you can see the Canva templates. Go to the See All option to explore all the available templates. Now you can see that everything from minimalist to professional-looking templates is available for you to modify, so you can pick whichever one you like. Right now, I will go with this one. This one is a pro template, but you can choose a free version. There are many free versions available. Just click on one to explore more options, and whichever one you like, click on it, and click on Customize this template. Now you can see that I have full access to modify whatever I like. I can do whatever I want with this template. Starting with the text. If you want to customize it, double-click on it. Add your own text or explore more features. If you want to change the font, you can do so. And if you want to resize it, this is the option to use. And if you want to change the color of your text, simply click on whichever color you like. In a similar way, you can make it bold, italic, underlined, or strike through. You can try the available features to customize your text. Now, moving towards the background image, there is currently an image here. If you want to remove this background image, click on Background, and then click Backspace. If you want to remove the entire background and keep only a plain background color, you can change the color by clicking on Color. And now, like this, you can add your own color. If you want to add an image as the background, go to Uploads. If you want to upload an image from your PC, upload it there. If you want to upload an image from Canva's library, go to Elements and search for any background. For example, I'm searching for a paper background and going to the Photos section. And now what you need to do is simply drag and drop it like this. This one looks good. Just drag and drop it. Now it is in front of the other elements. To send it to the back, go to Layer and send it to the back. And now, if you want to replace this image with your own, go to the Upload section. Upload an image from your PC, and your image will appear here. Then simply drag and drop it like this, or like this. Just drag and drop it. If you want to make your image larger, double-click on it and resize your image as needed. And in the same way, if I want to add this image here, I'll just drag and drop it. And I will make it larger like this. You can also double-click and reposition your image. So, in a similar way, you can add your own details, text, and background. You can also add elements, images, replace images, and include your own branding colors, logos, and anything else you want. When you are finished modifying or customizing your design and are ready to export or download it, rename your file. Go to Share, then Download, and download it as a PNG or in any other available format if needed. Click Download, and your clothing brand Facebook post is ready. You designed it yourself in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching.